This is the Gokulam Park coffee shop, Gokulam Park Resort. We just checked in. The hotel looks pretty good. It's clean. It's a 4-star property though. Hey guys, this is our dinner tonight. So there's some naans and all the items we have taken small pieces and see. I just tasted paneer. The paneer tastes really good. Good morning, Munnar. This is our second day at Munnar, and the sky is a bit of cloudy. I am hoping that around 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock it will be clear. And this is our view from the Gokulam Park Hotel. This is a premium room. That's the morning view. That's the east side. I mean sunrise on that side. Hey guys, I come for the breakfast. And I come for the breakfast. So this is the breakfast item available at this moment. It's eggs, oval, some veggie, appam, veg stew. There should be bhatura. Sambar, chutneys, salads, and breads. Hey guys, so we just having our breakfast. This is our breakfast table, and that's the view from the breakfast. If you can see, yeah. So, and hello guys, it's around 9:44, 9:45. So we'll check out now. We'll check out from Gokulam Park. So today we'll go to our next resort. We'll come to that point. So this resort, it was really good. The breakfast was good. The best part is the food quality. Food quality is really fresh. It's good food quality. Room was neat and clean. It's typical 4-star type. It's a 4-star property. And also the best part is this is a premium room. So this premium room view is the best view you will get. The left side you can see the tea garden, and this side is the mountains and the hill view. This the total tariff for one night is 5,891 rupees, and so basically that's included our dinner. You saw the dinner and the breakfast. So I can recommend, if you are going to stay in Munnar for a budget stay, then this should be good. It's not really a budget stay, but I think more or less the average stay it's really good. Okay, so stay tuned. We'll go to the next resort, and we'll show you that resort again and all the details. So right now we'll go for some sightseeing, maybe a waterfalls, let's see, and the tea museum. So stay there. We are just checking out. They have EV charging here also, so that's the information I just wanted to add.
This is a tea factory.
White tea is the purest form of tea. The buds, what do you call the chelemos leaf.
And they undergo fermentation.
No, they are just sun dried.
In the early days, food and other essential supplies were transported through miles of wilderness. Consignments often took weeks to reach the plantations. Finally, in 1886, a business connection was established with a merchant in Modi. He agreed to provide food and supplies to the plantations, and also to transport plantation produce to Tuticorin Harbour for export. Boilers and other heavy equipment, weighing many tons, were shipped from England and hauled up the steep slopes.
Why is it? Those who also coconut oil or ghee, butter, cheese or anything, butter is best. Butter, 2 grams of warm butter, it will go up to here. You don't get inside the water. You have to take some exercises. Our grandmother will do. Take food and namaskar or Muslim namaz. Or just a
Hey guys, we just bought white tea. We bought 3 pack of white tea, and there is another one. So this is 500 rupees for 25 gram. And the spices, these are first grade spices. They said there are many spices, almost all kinds of white spices, and this is 250 rupees for 360 gram. And this one is the first grade green tea. This is 350 rupees for 50 gram. Okay, and one interesting thing is this bottle. So this bottle is the green tea maker. You can see this, there actually you have to put green tea and you have to put lukewarm water here. That's our purchase from this tea factory. Thank you guys. Hey guys, we are just roaming around Munnar. We just finished our first tea factory visit. Tea factory museum, and right now we are inside this tea garden. That's a mesmerizing beauty. The view is totally different from yesterday, just because today it's cloudy and it's raining a bit. But both have some different beauty and different view, but both are good actually. So right now it's raining a bit.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.